Hi guys, I am Priyanka Sharma and welcome to my channel. This is my first YouTube video for which I have decided to create a festive Diwali glam look. I have kept this look very versatile so that you can recreate this using any lip color of your choice. Before we proceed, it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to see how I have created this look, then please keep on watching. I did my skincare routine in the morning, so I'm gonna start with MAC Fix Plus to prep the skin, which will make sure that we have a great base to start with. I have picked up this under eye cream from PAC, which is called PAC Standout Cream, and I'm taking a little bit of product on my ring finger and applying it in a circular motion under the eyes to prep it. I don't know why am I laughing here. I have pigmentation and dark circles, so I'm gonna use an orange corrector from MAC to cancel the darkness. I have figured out that gently tapping it with fingers works the best for me, so I'm gonna take a little bit of product and apply it under my eyes. On my eyelids and around my lips. Moving on to the foundation, I have picked up this one from Too Faced Born This Way. I'm gonna dot it on my face and blend it using my fingers. I'm gonna further pick up a beauty blender from YBB Cosmetics and blend it so that it gives a very natural finish to the skin. I picked up this concealer from Too Faced in the shade Light Beige to highlight my under eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit of product to highlight my under eyes because I have already applied foundation there, and I'm gonna blend it using a beauty blender. Blending is the key guys, so you have to blend your product well. Before moving on to the next step, I am gonna apply the same concealer on my eyelids as well. I will use PAC concealer to create some depth and dimension on the face. So it's basically I'm gonna contour the places where my face cast natural shadows, that is hollows of my cheekbone, forehead, jawline, as well as I'm gonna contour my nose using the same concealer. Like you can see in the video that I'm blending the contour in the upward direction using the beauty blender. You guys can see that my texture on the skin is quite visible here. So here's a reminder for you that texture on a skin is very normal. Part of adding dimension to the face also involves bringing out the prominent features of your face. So I'm gonna pick up the light concealer again and apply it on my on bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and little bit on above my eyebrows. I'm gonna set my face with the PAC HD powder. I have a oily skin, so setting my face is a very crucial step for me. It will keep my makeup last longer and also reduces the unnecessary shine on my face. I'm taking the powder on a powder puff and gently dabbing it into my skin. Taking the bronzer from Wet n Wild to warm up the face further. It will make sure that it gives a very sun-kissed look to the skin. So I'm gonna apply it in the areas where sun hits me naturally, which will be on my cheekbones and my forehead. Next, I'm gonna use blush from Nykaa. I'm gonna mix both the shades and apply it in the upward direction so that it will give an illusion of uplifted face. I will mention all the products along with the shade names which I have used in this video in the description box below. Before we move on to the highlighter, I am gonna set my face again with a MAC Fix Plus. This will ensure that all the powder products are settled into the skin. A festive look is incomplete without that added glow, so I'm gonna use a PAC highlighter on the highest point of my face. Moving on to the brows, I am using L'Oreal Pro Artist and just filling in the gaps because my eyebrows are pretty thick, so I don't want to overdo it. Also, if you haven't primed your eyes, then this is the time you can prime your lids, but I have already done mine because I have used the concealer all over my eyes. I'll zoom in the video now as I'm doing my eye makeup so you guys can see that I have picked up a kajal from Chambord and I'm applying it on my upper lash line. You don't have to be precise while doing this because we are anyway gonna smudge it using a pencil brush. Okay, so I have picked up a Jaclyn Hill palette because we want something to set our liner, and I'm picking a brown shade from the same palette and I'm using the same brush to set the kajal. As you can see in the video, I'm just applying it over the kajal, and you guys can see that I'm repeating the same steps on my lower lash line as well. I have picked up a shade called Silk Cream from Jaclyn Hill palette and I am applying it over my crease line, which will be my transition shade. Then I will apply the bronzer which we have used on our face on the crease line to increase the intensity. To give this eye look a festive vibe, I'm gonna mix golden and a champagne shimmer shade from a Kiko palette and apply it on the rest of my eyelids. And in inner corners. Finishing off the eye makeup, I'm gonna apply mascara from Too Faced. Apply a generous coat on upper and a lower lash line. What is a festive look without bold red lips? I'm using a Chambord liquid lipstick here, a shade of which will be mentioned in the description box below. And I'm gonna top it off with Smashbox liquid lipstick. Here I am using Nykaa lip liner to overline my lips a little bit. And here I am living my Bollywood moment. So this is the final look, guys, in all its glory. I am in love with how this look has turned out. If you ever recreate this look, please do not forget to tag me on my Instagram handle, which will be mentioned right here and in the description box below, with all the products which I have used in this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends who love makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye.
खड़े होके थे, खड़े होके थे। बस हो गया। I don't want more now. It's okay. That's it. I'm gonna put this in my hair somewhere. How am I looking?